All right, next part 3. So this is the S7 review. And so a survey was carried out in a year of class 2012. The pupils were asked which pop music they liked. Some said the rockers, some said the salseros, and some said the bluers. So write down the number of people that like the rockers, salseros, and the bluers. So the people who liked the rockers, salseros, and the bluers is this number right here, which is 3. Okay, find the number of people who don't like the rockers. So basically we're going to cover up this space because those are the people that like the rockers. And so the number of people who don't like the rockers, we've got 0 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7. Those people don't like the rockers. You add those together, and there are 16 people who don't like the rockers. So this lowercase n means number of people. Okay. All right. Describe which group of pupils in the set S intersection B like. So if I want to describe this in words, this is pupils who like both salseros and the bluers. Okay. The intersection means and. They have to like both. Okay. If it was a U, then it would be either or. Okay, use your set notation to describe the group of people who like the rockers and the bluers but does not like the salseros. So liking the rockers and the bluers is going to give me the intersection of the rockers and the bluers, but does not like the salseros, so that's the intersection of S prime. Okay, let's do the next one. There are 33 pupils in the class. Find X. So all of these things have to add up to 33. So we got 2 plus 2x plus 0 plus x plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7, and all of those add up to 33. So we end up with 21 plus 3x equals 33. So we subtract 21 on both sides. We get 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. We get x equals 4. Okay. Find the number of pupils who like the rockers. Okay, so we look at the rockers circle, and we have we've got 2 and 2x and x and 3, right? So 2 plus 2x plus 3 plus x. Okay, we know x is 4, right? So 2 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 plus 4. We add those all together, and it equals 17. Okay. Last page. Okay. In events B and C, they're dependent, and C is the event that the student takes chemistry and B is the event that the student takes biology. It is known that C is 0.4, B given C is 0.6, and B given C prime is 0.5. Okay, so first of all, these two fractions here have to be add up to 1. So if C is 0.4, this here is going to have to be 0.6 because they add up to 1. And this is C prime. Okay, so the probability of B given C, this is saying the probability of getting B given that you're doing C is 0.6. Okay. And this other one, the probability of getting B given that you're not C is 0.5. Okay, so now that I know those parts of the tree, I can figure this out, because these two here have to add up to 1. So if that's 0.5, this here has to be 0.5. And then these two have to add up to 1. So if that's 0.6, this has to be 0.4. Okay, calculate the probability that a student takes biology. So if a student's taking biology, they either take chemistry and biology, or they don't take chemistry and biology. So we have to have both of those paths added together. So this first path is 0.4 times 0.6 plus, and this other pathway is 0.6 times 0.5. So we add those two pathways together, and that's the probability of taking biology. Okay, so 0.4 times 0.6 is 0.24. 0.6 times 0.5 is 0.3. Add those together, and we get 0.54 is the probability of getting biology. Okay. Given that the student takes biology, what is the probability that the student takes chemistry? So our given is biology. What is the probability that the student takes chemistry? Remember, that's our given. Okay, so let's write that. Our numerator is the intersection of chemistry and biology. My denominator is the probability of biology. Okay, our intersection of chemistry and biology is 0.4 times 0.6. The probability that a student takes biology, we just found that out. It is 0.54. Right? We just found that out. And so we simplify this, and we get 0.24 divided by 0.54, and you could leave this as a simplified fraction, which is 4/9, or you could leave this as a decimal, which is 0.4443 significant figures. Okay, let's do some shading now. Okay, so this is the intersection of A and B. So here's circle A, here's circle B. That's the intersection of the two. Okay, the union of C and B. So here's C, and here's B. Okay, this means union. This means intersection. Okay, A union B union C, but prime. That means everything outside of those circles. Okay, last one. A intersection C prime. So C prime means everything not in C, right? Everything outside of C, and A. So inside A is like this. So the double scratched out place is this spot right here. You might want to hit pause and think about this. And that's it for the review.